Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a luxurious masterpiece that redefines elegance, sophistication, and modern innovation. Yes, it's the 2025 Volvo S90, a sedan that's turning heads and raising the bar for premium automobiles. So, sit tight as we explore everything this beauty has to offer. First off, let's talk about its design. The S90 is a blend of timeless Scandinavian style and futuristic details. Volvo has gone all in with a sleek, elongated silhouette, clean lines, and that signature Thor's hammer LED headlight design. The new front grille and reimagined rear lighting give the S90 a bold, confident stance. It's a car that doesn't scream for attention but gets it effortlessly, understated elegance at its finest. The proportions are flawless, the details meticulous, and every angle exudes class. Step inside, and the S90 takes luxury to a whole new level. The cabin is a sanctuary, featuring natural materials like open-pore wood, wool blend upholstery, and metallic accents that are a delight to touch and see. The seats, they're next-level comfortable, ergonomically designed with multiple adjustments and heating, cooling, and even massage functions. Add to that the panoramic sunroof that floods the cabin with natural light, and you've got an interior that's hard to leave. It's a space that wraps you in warmth, serenity, and luxury. Now, let's dive into the tech, and trust me, Volvo hasn't held back. At the center of it all is a massive, high-definition touchscreen that runs on the latest Google-based infotainment system. It's intuitive, fast, and gives you everything you need: navigation, music, smart home integration, and even voice commands that actually understand you. And then there's the Bowers & Wilkins sound system. It's not just good, it's phenomenal, making every playlist feel like a live concert. Volvo's attention to detail here is unreal. Performance. This isn't just about luxury, it's a machine built for a smooth yet powerful drive. The 2025 S90 offers a range of powertrains, including a plug-in hybrid option with jaw-dropping efficiency and torque. The hybrid model not only gives you impressive acceleration but also lets you cruise in pure electric mode for up to 40 miles, perfect for those city commutes or quiet countryside drives. The handling is refined, the ride is whisper quiet, and it glides over bumps like they're not even there. It's performance without the drama, pure sophistication on wheels. Of course, safety is where Volvo continues to shine. The S90 is packed with advanced driver assistance systems like Pilot Assist for semi-autonomous driving, a 360-degree camera, and an enhanced collision avoidance system. Volvo's commitment to making the road safer for everyone, both inside and outside the car, is unmatched. It's like having an invisible co-pilot that's always looking out for you. And let's not forget the sustainability angle. Volvo is serious about reducing its carbon footprint, and the S90 reflects that with eco-friendly materials and its hybrid technology. It's a car that lets you indulge in luxury without compromising your values, a perfect harmony of responsibility and extravagance. So, what's the verdict? The 2025 Volvo S90 is more than just a luxury sedan, it's a statement. A statement of style, comfort, and forward-thinking innovation. It's for those who appreciate the finer things in life but also want to stay ahead of the curve. Whether you're driving it or being driven in it, the S90 delivers an experience that's nothing short of extraordinary. If you're ready to elevate your driving experience to new heights, this car deserves your attention. That's it for today's deep dive. Let me know in the comments what you think about this Swedish marvel. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more exciting content, and I'll see you in the next one.